So hello friends, today we are going to print hollow square star pattern. So it is same as our previous star pattern, which I have explained you in previous videos. So in that also, but one logic is different. Otherwise, all logics are same. First of all, as always, we are taking an input from a user just and should be 5. It is the input given by user. After that, what we do, first of all, we are doing making our outer loop int equals to 1, I less than equals to how much, n, then I plus plus. Okay, so it is printing our outer loop. Okay, after that, what, for int j equals to 1, j less than equals to n, j plus plus. It is also run it is also run till nth value, because we are printing as the same number as a row to it as in a column, so it is always same. So now what we can do, so first of all, observe this pattern. What this pattern say, in first, just I am making this box. So here is the there is 4 columns. Okay, for I means it is I. Okay, and it is also I. Okay, it is j, it is also j. Okay, what you understand by this, if our I is 1, okay, so it will printing all stars. If our I is n, it will printing all star, same as in j. If our j is 1, then it will print whole stars. If our j is n, it will printing whole star, and otherwise, in other term, all will be printing spaces. So this logic would be, if our I equals to how much, 1, okay, or I equals to n, just I should be 1 and I is n. Okay, after that, j equals to 1, or j equals to n. So what would, so in that situation, what would we print? We are printing stars. In this situation, we are printing stars. Else, what would we are printing? We are printing only spaces. Okay, we are printing spaces. After that, we close that first for loop. After that, we are giving line break. ln. Okay, just we close the loop. So here is the code for that. I will dry run this code. Okay, okay, so for first condition, if I is 1, then I is less than equals to n. Yes, it is, the condition is true, so it will go in first. Okay, I is 1. Okay, for first row. If j is 1, okay, or j is less than equals to n, then say the condition is true, j is less than or equals to n. Okay, then j plus plus. In that, if this condition is true, after that it will come in this. Okay, if I equals to 1, I equals to 1, so what would we do? We are printing stars. Okay, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there's 5 stars. Okay, if we are printing only star, okay, just star. As in this, if I equals to n, we are printing star. Okay, so next, if j equals to n, we are printing this star. If j equals to n, we are printing this star. Okay, so it is for the first. After that it will increase by 1. Okay, 1, it increase by 1, then it will become 2. Is 2 is less than equals to n? Yes, true. Then it will come in this, then it will increase as the, so it will print second star, then third star, then fourth, and then fifth, so on. As same this also print this, and it will also print this. So here is the star pattern, and I will run this code, dry run the code for your better performance. So here is our whole code. If you have any doubt, any further more questions, just comment me down. I will reply as if it is possible. So if you love this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. So thank you.